So one of the application systems that we've seen out there a lot in farrowing farms is this system that you see here. In this system, the user carries the concentrate bottle of disinfectant in a backpack for ergonomic reasons. There is a dip tube that goes from that bottle into an inline venturi reduction system that is part of the foaming gun. Now, the good thing about that is that you're diluting the chemical at the point of use. There is no diluted chemical that is going through the whole branch piping system in the farrowing farm. This is good. The other thing is that once you calibrate the system with the right orifice tip in the venturi adductor, there is no need to open it or change it or worry about whether one is getting the right dilution or not. You will be assured that you're getting the right dilution if you have the right tip and perform the right calibration procedure, as we described before using the validation strips. Having said that, it's always advisable to every once in a while use the validation strip to make sure that the dilution that we're getting out of the venturi adductor is the right one. The other thing that I like about this system is that the user doesn't have to worry about making sure that they spend a particular volume of that backpack in a particular room. In many farms we have visited, there was always the operative requirement that the user spend a particular volume of chemistry in a room. Now, this leaves a lot of room for error because it's up to the judgment of the user as to where they apply that. There is no way of controlling and making sure that the disinfectant is being applied uniformly across the room. With this method, the user has not to worry about any type of volume requirements. All they do is make sure that they are visibly applying the disinfectant to the surfaces. In other words, if the surface is foamed, you applied it there and you move on. If it isn't foamed, if the foam is not visible, you haven't treated that area and you should treat it. So it's as simple as that. It removes the worry of the user to have to use a particular volume of chemistry within a room. So this is another system that we see out in the field and that we like a lot. We see this primarily in trailer washing stations. What you have is you have a power washing machine that's connected to the local water supply. And ideally, what you should have is a venturi adduction system that is downstream from the power washing machine. As you can see, the venturi adductor has a side branch that has the draw tube connected to the pail or drum of concentrate chemistry. Ultimately, what you end up is a venturi adductor that delivers the in-use concentration of solution to the different washing bays that you have in a trailer washing plant. Now, it's important, and you'll note here that the venturi adduction system is downstream from the power washing machine. So the reason this is important, and you don't want to have the venturi adductor upstream from the power washer, is that you don't want to subject certain components in the power washing machine that are not compatible to chemistry. So in the power washing machine, you have, especially in the pumps, you will have components like springs or valves that are made out of materials that are not compatible with cleaning chemistries. And you don't want to have continual exposure of those components to the cleaning chemistry. By having the venturi adductor downstream, that doesn't occur.